Good Genes Glycolic acid uses glycolic acid to really resurface your skin. And it was really, really important to make sure that it was formulated well and really balanced so you get all the benefits of glycolic acid without any downtime or side effects. Glycolic acid is a phenomenal ingredient. It's one of the smallest forms of alpha-hydroxy acid, so it actually goes into the skin a lot deeper than other forms of alpha-hydroxy acids, which means it can be a lot more effective. But it also uses potassium lactate, which is the salt of lactic acid. It's going to give you some of the benefits of lactic acid and the hydration of it. Good Genes Glycolic also has cactus extract, and the purpose of putting that in is to really balance the effects of the glycolic acid. Cactus extract really goes in and helps soothe the appearance of the skin, so overall your skin health, the 360 look and feel of your skin, is improved. People can be intimidated by alpha-hydroxy acids. I understand that. Don't get scared, just work your way up to using it. Just start off every other day or 2 days on, 2 days off. Work your way up to everyday use, and you're gonna fall in love with it, and you're gonna be smooth sailing from there on out.